Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. Today's topic nested loop. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to print pyramid star pattern program in Java. Let's see the figure as shown on the screen. But before doing this program we have to follow certain steps of program. In the step 1 we have to display 5 star on different line. In the step 2 we have to achieve this figure like this. That means we have to divide this figure in two parts. In one form we have to print star in the first line 1, second line 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in another form we have to give a space. In the first line we have to give 4 space, then 3 space, 2 space, then 1 space. For this we will get like this a pattern as shown on the figure step 3. And finally we will get the step 4 figure in pyramid star form. So let's start the program. Start with the class name pyramid star, then main method. For that public static void main string args argument square bracket open square bracket close, main method open with the curly braces. Here the data type int, r for the row and column c. Here start with the loop. This loop for the printing the number of row. R is equal to 1, r less than equal to 5 according to the question, r plus plus. Simple, we have to print here 5 star on different line. System dot out print ln star curly braces close for public, curly braces close for pyramid star. Compile, close, right click, void main. You can check here 5 different star on different line. For the next step 2 program we have to start the program with the column loop. We have to edit this program. C less than equal to 5 C plus plus. This part is for printing the loop and we don't have to change the line for printing, and other is for changing the line. System dot out dot print ln curly braces close for row. Compile, close, run. Here we have got all the star in different line, 5 star, but we don't want like this. We want in a triangle form. For that what we have to do, we have to edit this program here with the R, so that when the row is 1 the column will start from 1, when the row is 2 the column will also start from 1 to 2, when the row is 3 the column will start from 1 to 3 according to the row and column wise. Compile this program and see the difference. Here we have got the triangle form, but this triangle is printing from the left hand side. I don't want printing the left hand side, I want the printing the triangle from right hand side. So let's again edit the program. So for printing the space we have to take the data type here, the space s, and gapping take it as a 4 and start one loop for printing the space equal to 1, s less than equal to g, s plus plus. Here for giving the space system dot out dot print space double quote space Now see the changes. And after printing every line, we have to reduce the gap also. So let's do the G minus minus, compile the program and see the output. So here we have got the output as shown on the step 3. Now we will go for step 4 figure that finally we have to print in a pyramid form. So let's go to the program. There is a slightly changes for the last program. Only the thing we have to do in the column loop, here in the system.print, here we have to give the star, after that give the space. This loop is for counting the number of line, and this loop is for printing the space. This loop is for printing the number of star according to the row column wise. Compile this program, close and see the output. Here we have got finally in pyramid shape. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.